Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install an WordPress in a XAMPP. I have already installed XAMPP server and I have already downloaded the WordPress installation file. Let's start. First of all, you have to go to the folder where you have installed the XAMPP server, that is this PC and local, or where you have installed. Mostly where we install in our local C, so go to local Dixie, then XAMPP. The main point you have to keep in mind is that you have to extract, or you have to keep the WordPress folder inside the htdocs. Local Dixie, XAMPP, and inside htdocs. Yes, here is my WordPress zip file. I can copy it, then go to htdocs and paste it here. Paste this zip file here. Now I have to extract this zip file inside htdocs. Extract files. Yes, okay. Yes, we have installed WordPress here. We can rename this folder. Rename. Now we have extract WordPress file. We can rename our folder so it is easier to understand. We can rename it as test. Yes, test. Check whether we extract it correctly or not. Yes, we can see that inside this test folder we have WordPress. So yes, it is working fine. As we can see here, there is one extra folder inside this test folder, that is WordPress. So we see this interface, so we can copy the content inside this WordPress folder to the test folder, that is Ctrl X, then we can paste it here. Then we can delete this WordPress folder, or it is okay here. We can delete this folder. So now let's check. Yes, it is working fine. Now continue. You can choose any language. Then here, let's look at this interface. Here we require database name, database username. Since we require a database name, we can create a database inside localhost, inside XAMPP, that is localhost. Dashboard open. Then we can go to phpMyAdmin to create a database. We can see this. Now we have to create a database. Go to new, and you can write any name, that is we can write WordPress database. Yes, in our database we create a database. Now go to the browser, then write the database name, that is WordPress. Okay, it is fine. Then username. As we have not mentioned the username, we can write the username as root, and password empty. Database host, we have already done localhost and WP. Then submit it. Then run the installation. Yes, it is done. Then site title, WordPress our new website. Then username, we can change this username also. Let me keep it admin. Then password, we can write it on our own, or we can generate from here. Password, we can write it on our own, or we can generate from here. Or email. This email is, if there is any problem or any inquiry in your website, then we can get the information in this website. So I'm going to write this username and password is the login information to enter into the WordPress dashboard, where we can customize our site, or where we can customize our WordPress website that we are going to create here. So it is very important to keep in mind our username and password. Then we can log in here. Yes, login. This is our dashboard. Now we can visit our site. Yes, this is our website. So here I have installed the WordPress, and this is the first look of our website. Thank you so much for watching. In my next video I'll show you how to install theme and plugin. So see you in my next video.